In today's video, I am going to be making some Christmas fudge, so stay tuned. Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. I just want to wish you a happy holiday season from my kitchen to yours. This video is a collaboration hosted by my dear friend Sherri of Southern Roots. I'm going to link her channel in my description box below. Please check out her channel, tell her that I sent you guys, and make sure you watch everyone else's candy videos as well. There is one per day, every day in December, and I am so excited to participate in this. So let's get started with the Christmas fudge. It's so easy, so simple, and so cheap.
Okay, so I love fudge, but this recipe is so easy. All you need is some sweetened condensed milk, some chocolate chips, some vanilla extract, and some Christmas sprinkles. So after grabbing a pan, the first thing that I do is I line my pan with parchment paper. This step is totally optional. You can do this if you want to do this. I like to use the parchment paper because it's easier to clean up. It gives a great place to put the fudge in to help it mold, and it makes for easy cleanup. Then I take a microwave safe mixing bowl and I pour in 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and to those 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, I add 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, and then I stir that together. You can use any kind of chocolate chips you want. That's something that could make your recipe completely different. You can use sweet, you can use unsweet, you can use any type of chocolate chip that you want to use, and then you just mix it with that condensed milk. And I gave it a quick stir before popping it into my microwave to melt the chocolate chips. It took me approximately 3.5 minutes to melt my chocolate chips. Depending on your microwave, I would say anywhere from 3 to 4 minutes to get those chocolate chips to melt. And once the chocolate chips are melted, you're going to take that out of the microwave. And then you're going to mix your melted mixture together. Then you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and you're going to stir that together really well. After you've stirred all your ingredients together, you are going to take your pan that you have put your parchment paper in if you chose to do that step, and you are just going to pour your mixture into the pan. Then I just take my mixture and I spread it out as evenly as possible as I can in the pan. I'm making mine into somewhat of a square form. I am not the prettiest cook in the world as far as food presentation, but I was going for a square here. Did it end up being a square? Absolutely not, but that's what I was going for. In my personal opinion, I care more about the taste than I care about how it looks in the end, but I just take it and I spread it out and I try to get it as even as I possibly can. Sometimes that's a little hard, but you don't want like a big chunk of it in the middle, so you just kind of want to spread it out evenly throughout the pan. After I did that, I had some sprinkles left over from my hot cocoa bar, so I poured those on top. If I had it to do all over again, I would not pour as much as I did on top, or I might use more Christmas festive type sprinkles, but it still turned out really well. So I just sprinkle those on, and then all I do, this is the best part, is I just put it in the refrigerator and I leave it there for 3 to 4 hours or overnight. Then I pull it out of the refrigerator, and this is how it looks. It is nice and firm. It's stuck to the parchment paper, So all I had to do was pull it off of the parchment paper, no mess, no fuss. And then of course you can cut this any way you choose to cut it. Just for demonstration purposes, I took a knife and I just cut off a few small pieces. You can cut it as you go, you might want to leave it in the refrigerator for a while and eat on it. And you can cut off as big piece or as small a piece as you want, but it turns out really good and it makes a great Christmas snack. And it's just a great thing to make at Christmas and something you can share with your family, prepare with your kids, or whatever you want to do, bring to a Christmas party or whatever. But I hope you try this recipe and you enjoy it.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please remember to go check out Sherri's channel and check out all the other candy making videos as well. I hope this inspires you. Have fun baking this holiday season and take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.